What is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to review a supposed 11.2.6 jailbreak tutorial. Now, the point that I want to try to bring across is that I don't have any intent to bring hate to the guy who created that video. But I will approach his video with a lot of skepticism because honestly, 99% of jailbreak tutorials currently on YouTube are fake. And I want to prevent everyone who's watching my video from wasting their time. Now, I'm going to be dissecting his video step by step, and in the end, I'm going to decide whether it's real or not real by actually installing whatever links he provided in the description myself. Anyways, let's begin. Alright, so obviously my quality is trash, but that's not the point of my video. I'm not trying to make a Hollywood movie. I'm just trying to inform people of real jailbreaks or fake jailbreaks. Anyways, the guy who we're going to be reviewing today is by the name of iOS 11 jailbreak. So he obviously takes it seriously. His whole channel is based on jailbreaks, and the video in particular is this iOS 11.2.6 how to jailbreak iOS, whatever, and below. So it has 165,000 views, over 400 likes, and not even a single dislike. So that's pretty nice. That's very good stats on a video. And if we scroll down to the comments, he states that if it doesn't work for you, you can subscribe. He will help you out personally. So this man appears to be a very good quality YouTuber. He has a lot of positive comments. Some say it doesn't work, but that doesn't mean anything. Some people do say it's fake with capital letters. Anyways, but overall, it sort of gives an authentic vibe. Whether it's from fake comments, from fake views, fake likes, we do not know yet. These likes may be real. Those comments may be real. Let's just start the video. And I also want to inform you guys, you probably will not hear what this man is saying because it's very low. So I turn on the closed captions. So hopefully you guys will read along, and as I will pause the video here and there to dissect it.
Everyone, today I will show you how you can jailbreak the latest iOS 11 device.
Okay, step 1. He states that the jailbreak is untethered for any iDevice. So this is the first red flag we are coming across. You see, the reason being is the last untethered jailbreak that was released was in iOS 9 point something. That was over 2 years ago. Also, any iDevice is another skeptical part of this video because very commonly jailbreaks do not work for like iPad Air or iPod Touch. So there's always a lot of exceptions for jailbreaks. They very rarely, if not never, work for any iDevice. So we have 2 red flags off the start in this video.
Your iPhone.
Okay, so here he shows that he is indeed in 11.2.6. So he's just trying to prove that he is not on any older version of the iPhone.
You just need to go to iRemoteJB.com and click the Start Install.
Okay, this is another red flag. As someone who has released jailbreak tutorial videos in the past, I know for a fact that for a jailbreak to be successful, it usually has to go through Cydia Impactor. What Cydia Impactor is, it's a program on your computer which you use to install a file onto your phone. So it's very rare that you can install a jailbreak straight from your iPhone and it will work. Especially nowadays where Apple has made it so limited for these files to exist on iPhones that almost certainly you have to go to the computer and install it through there. Therefore, this is the second red flag of a potentially fake jailbreak.
So we click Start Install. please like and subscribe for this amazing tutorial and get Cydia installed on your iDevice. So now it says successful, so we click verify, and now
okay, this is the part which, besides the fact that the jailbreak installed completely flawlessly, which is completely unlikely, most of the times, especially nowadays, jailbreaks run into issues which make you restart your iPhone at least twice. It's very unlikely that the jailbreak will install without a single problem straight off the bat. That's one. And the second part is the fact that he just mentioned that you're going to have to go through a process of verification, which is basically the biggest red flag you can possibly have. Let's just continue.
Cydia wants to download on the background and want to verify what device do we have.
You see, it already sends you to a different link, completely irrelevant to the jailbreak. It wants you to install some sort of app, basically play it for 40 seconds, whatever, and there you go, you get your jailbreak. This is bogus, not real.
So you see here now, you will see some, just need to download.
Yeah, he's just gonna say how you're gonna download it, have to play it for a couple of seconds. Let's just skip through this, just wasting our time. Keep using it for about 30 seconds, and it will make sure that the Cydia has downloaded. Okay. Okay, now he closed, what he did, he closed out of that app, and supposedly he has Cydia.
This is Cydia, guys. Everything are working. Let me click Cydia now. This is the only working tool that you can update to check with the latest iOS 11.2.6.
Okay, and the video just cuts short there. He doesn't give any proof of
The latest iOS.
He doesn't give any proof that it's actually Cydia. You notice how he doesn't click on anything. The video just stops as soon as he gets it, supposedly. Usually what YouTubers would do, they would install something simple like Barrel or Zeppelin, which is basically like this little logo on the top left screen, which just shows your iPhone is jailbroken. But this man, he just cuts the video short as soon as he goes to Cydia, and just the process that he went through seems very fishy to me. I'm just gonna do it myself right now and decide whether it's truly fake or whether it's somehow real. Let's do it. Alright, so now we're obviously on my iPad. Again, sorry for the terrible quality. I'm holding my iPhone in my hand. But anyways, this is the version of my iPad, version 11.2.6. And according to the man in the video, my iPad should not be an exception. Okay, now I've already opened up the link, which the guy did not leave in the description. I had to type in the site myself, iremotejb.com, and it says start jailbreak. And so far, so good. Okay, so it says it's been successful, just like in the video. There was not a single issue. Let's verify it. Once again, it brings us to this irrelevant link. We have to install one of these apps. Since the guy in the video installed this one, let's just install the same thing, just to make sure we're doing exactly the same steps. Okay, now it mentions that we're gonna have to start a 7-day free trial, no commitment, cancel anytime. Obviously, this takes away from the whole free aspect of the jailbreak because it's $12 to start this free trial. And it wants your phone number and account information. This is something that the creator left out of the video. But let's just say that you don't have to install the free trial. He said leave it open for 30 seconds. Cydia should be already there. Cydia is nowhere to be found on my iPad. I've wasted a good 20 minutes of my time, but at least you guys don't have to go through the same bogus process. Yeah. And let's just install it one more time just so I can show you guys that this is completely fake. it gives me the same instructions and the same animation as it gave me the first time. If it was actually installed the first time, it wouldn't have allowed me to install it. It would have just said jailbreak is already installed. But since it gives me the same exact animation, and what is the bar doing? Why is it going backwards? I mean, obviously this is a fake jailbreak. Please do not waste your time. Apologize for the quality, and see you in the next one.